You are watching Pharma News. Here are the top headlines of today. FDA approves first generics of Lyrica. The FDA granted approvals for the generic versions of Lyrica to Alembic Pharmaceuticals, Alchem Laboratories, Amneal Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Invagen Pharmaceuticals, MSN Laboratories Limited, Rising Pharmaceuticals Inc., Seagen Pharmaceuticals Inc., and Teva Pharmaceuticals. Delhi High Court grants Natco Pharma interim relief in BMS patents case. The High Court set aside an injunction petition filed by BMS seeking to protect apixaban against Natco's Epicat. Natco had launched its generic version in June. PCI imposes moratorium on fresh D Pharm and B Pharm courses for 5 years from 2020-21. Northeast region exempted. The Central Council meeting of the Pharmacy Council of India has unanimously passed a resolution to impose moratorium on starting new pharmacy colleges for conducting D Pharm and B Pharm courses for a 5-year period from the academic year 2020-21. Doctors should provide only generic medicine, says the CDCSO Drug Consultant Committee (DCC). In the 56th meeting of the DCC, it was proposed that registered medical practitioners shall supply generic medicines only. Government to list essential medical devices, cap trade margin. Government set to identify a list of essential medical devices expected to be a precursor to anti-profiteering measures such as capping trade margins in the range of 30 to 50%. Sanofi grabs non-prescription rights to Roche Tamiflu, aiming for an Rx-to-OTC switch. Sanofi picked up over-the-counter marketing rights to Tamiflu in the US, aiming to persuade the FDA to switch the flu fighter to non-prescription status. Lawrence Labs partner Rising Pharma launches neuropathic pain capsules in US. Rising Pharmaceuticals has launched generic version of Lyrica capsules. Johnson files submission for subcutaneous Darzalex in Europe. Janssen Pharmaceutical has submitted an application to the European Medicines Agency seeking approval for subcutaneous formation of Darzalex to treat multiple myeloma. Bayer sells Dr. Scholl's foot care brand to Yellowwood Partners. Germany's Bayer signed a deal on Monday to sell its Dr. Scholl's foot care brand to US private investment firm Yellowwood Partners for $585 million, the second of 2 consumer care products it had put on the block. Indian pharma stocks update. Top gainers are Alembic Pharma up 4.2% and Ipca Labs up 2.1%. Top losers are Orchid Pharma Limited down 5% and Strides Pharma Science down 1.7%. For details, you can visit the link shown in the news bites. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.